According to Musa Kawula, Edwin Sodi, and Julius Malema have had their divorce in one frying pan. Stick around, okay? But before we get into the video, we've got the lovely Sisi Po, who is all the way from Cape Town, sharing her life as a girl in her late 20s. She's also a frequent Eastern Cape traveler, so we can get some vlogs, some lifestyle, some great updates, especially if you relate to being in your 20s and living your best life, especially in Cape Town. What are you waiting for? Go over there and tell her that Sims sent you. Please subscribe, guys. Please subscribe.
Hi, future subscribed. Welcome to my channel. My name is Sisi Pomakula. So on this channel, I basically navigate my late 20s. I live and explore the beautiful city of Cape Town and the stunning Eastern Cape. I go to Eastern Cape quite a lot, and I bet you guys would really enjoy my Eastern Cape vlogs. So I also show you guys my lifestyle as a girl living in Cape Town. I engage in some hobbies. I love traveling. I love solo dating. If that's your vibe, please do check my channel out and subscribe and become part of the SIP squad. Thank you so much.
Ngiyanamukela kumqobo yami bomtaba kadad, bomtaba kagogo, bomtaba ka-auntie, bomtaba kasisi. I am Sims, and it's at the right Sims on Instagram, so please follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channel. Msware Emukhala if you want more traffic on your platforms. You are feasting today. Yeah, I am feeding you. You are eating on a Monday. I'm just making up for the weekend. Hayi nina, yabona eza namhlanje siyachisa, sishushu. Can we start with content creator Mrs. Ntuli? Who knew she would make it on the Sims Right channel? Listen. So there is a lady by the name of Ulelo Mpumelelo, right? She and Mrs. Ntuli, who is my colleague here on YouTube, right? They were at an event, right? At Mpumelelo's cousin's place, right? Mrs. Ntuli was there. She made an appearance. The event was going well. Then Mpumelelo goes to Mrs. Ntuli and says, "You know, my grandmother watches your vlogs. She loves you. She absolutely loves you." And Mrs. Ntuli is like, "You should introduce me to your grandmother. I would love to meet her." And Mrs. Ntuli gives her her numbers, and she's like, "I'm gonna come through." So Ulelo is like, "No, man, she's just being sweet. She's just being polite because she's very friendly. I've met her in person. I love her so much. She's very bubbly. You know, she's Ntuli after all." You know. Anyway, time passes by. Guess who makes a personal appearance at the grandmother's house? None other than Mrs. Ntuli. Yes, yes. So she makes an appearance. She goes there herself, guys. She goes to see the grandmother in person, like unprovoked, you know. So I think that's such a beautiful thing, guys. We should also learn to praise content creators when they do amazing stuff, okay? And from what I've seen from Mrs. Ntuli's vlogs, she really likes to show up for her subscribers, especially when they have events. Like, she's very rooted in her Ndebele culture, and she shows up and shows off, and she will bring her friends, her entourage. I love how she always shows up. I love that. And what you did for your subscriber, please let it not go unnoticed. Shout out to you guys. Please give her the biggest shout out when you see her. I love that. Guys, when you do good, we will good you. We will good you. So we will good you when you do good. Now let us talk about the hot tea for today. Yesterday, Musa Kawula comes on Twitter. Abale ati meet Unta More. Stunning girl. She is currently the side chick to our CIC, Julius Malema, president of EFF. He even got her an apartment, and she drives a 5 million rand Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon. City high musutini atingiti. Julius is head over heels. His voice has never been from Checkers. Sonje, it's giving roots, it's giving Indian voice. City high wena. At that private part collaboration is so strong. Cars, apartments. See, and then we ask, who is Unta? People start digging. Unta is Edwin Sodi's ex, allegedly. Hanjani, Edwin Sodi has funded more baddies than he's ever funded NSFAS. And while we are still, Musa Khawula deletes. People start coming. Yeah, you were lying. You were creating stories. You were creating lies, framing our EFF king. Yeah, Mshimani wa rona wa Khamashashani. Yeah, yeah. Kosi Shekho. Who do you think you are when I'm Musa in? And then people are like, did Julius Malema threaten Musa, or Musa was lying? That's why he deleted that tweet. But the thing is, Musa never deletes. And Musa, I'm not saying that he doesn't lie, but he's seldomly wrong. So we were like, there's more to the story. And then he comes back later, Musa Kawol, and he tells us the reason why he deleted that tweet. He's like, I took the money, thanks. So is that not him implying that he was paid off? And he wasn't lying actually, but he was paid off. And now I look and I think I didn't see Julius's wife in court. Or maybe she was outside the court. Or she was away from the view of cameras. Why wasn't Julius's wife on camera in the court? But why does it seem like I really thought that there were only 7 rich men in South Africa? You know, 8 plus us and my senior management. We are also part of the rich list of South Africa. Guys, we are rich. We are rich in knowledge. We know everything that's going on. So when they count rich people, they also include management. So I'm like, I thought there was a supply of baddies and there was a shortage of the blessers. But now these men keep recycling the same girls. They keep dating the same girls. Like it now seems like the 12 girls that are baddies in South Africa are being shuffled. Every year there's a cabinet reshuffle. Oh, you were dating Edwin. Okay, now this year you are dating Famba Moyen. Oh, you were dating Famba Moyen. Now you're going to date Snogonog. Who is he? What? But yeah, Musa alleges that he was paid off. So Asasi. Kuro moms, are you okay? Kuro parents, are you okay? We hear that Kuro has now partnered. Yo, I once I start talking about expensive places and I can't pronounce Osper, just know I can't afford it. I know I said I'm rich in knowledge, in finance. Anyway, Kuro parents. Kuro has now partnered up with Woolworths, and there's now Woolworths being sold at the Kuro tuck shops. So they are telling parents, Hori, dear parents, you can now give your child your cards to go and swipe at the Woolies tuck shop inside Kuro schools. Can I even have Yeah, yeah. Not even when I was a varsity student with a student center inside my campus did I know this kind of wealth and privilege. What's one called? I thought my kids were going to really great schools. I thought my kids were like now living in their luxury life. But every time I think I'm doing up, South Africa just does upper. What is this? This one of Woolworths tuck shops inside the schools. Ngzonchai. Ngzonchai. Yabon? That's why. Don't pitch. Let's talk in the comment section down below. I know I talk. Hey, shut up. Let's talk in the comment section down below.